Caught my eye in fading light, a fire glow on summer night. The world was spinning soft and slow, but time stood still when you said hello. We talked like we had always known, two hearts 1,000 miles from home. The ocean whispered low and deep as you pulled me close to keep. Under the midnight sun we fell. No words, just looks, no need to tell. Our shadows danced along the shore, like we had done this all before. Under the midnight sun we stayed, while every star began to fade. One touch, one breath, just you and me, lost in a summer reverie. We found a rhythm in the breeze, a secret song between the trees. Your voice was soft, your hands were warm. In your arms I felt